All right, BMW M2 2016. There's the engine bay. I was going to do a cold start. This was driven earlier today. I don't know how cold it is. I mean, it's not cold to touch, but anyways, a couple things worth noting. You can see possibly a little bit. That charge pipe was the upgraded Burger Motorsports aluminum charge pipe. I actually do have a Dynantronic sports tuner on it right now. I've been running that pretty much almost always in the stock boost mode. Very rarely, every once in a while, if I want to have some fun, I'll click it on in the sport mode, which I think basically increases the boost by 3 pounds of boost. You can feel it. Frankly, the car goes from very well sorted on the stock to literally you can lose traction in second and third gear with the extra setting on it. So interesting, nice little low-cost mod for it. But anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up. It's set in stock mode right now. Always will be. Might even remove it. Keep it for some other future BMW. So interestingly, that vibration, the M Performance exhaust, I've looked it up. It sounds like that's very common on the M Performance exhaust, is you'll hear that almost vibration in the car. It only happens on the cold starts, on the original startup, and then on the, it's kind of as it revs down, you hear it, and then you'll never hear it again. A little weird at startup, but it happens. After that, it's non-issue. Actually, it's not really an issue either, it's just kind of weird. There's the car running. I haven't had a single issue with it. So, again, good clean car.